A moment of calm. Brought to you by Twinings.
Now, I picked up this Panasonic OLED TV off Facebook Marketplace for free because the owner said it had panel damage, like a line on it, and it kept shutting down after a period of time. Here is the model information. This is the back of the Panasonic OLED. There's a bit of dust up there, almost like masonry sort of dust really, sort of colour it is. It needs a good blowout, and this is the back cover. So remove this little panel here, and basically I think the problem is there was probably a pressure point here, and that's what's caused the line going down, the vertical line on the screen. So that's all quite a risky area. Well, I guess any of it is if it gets too much pressure from the back. This is the main board from the OLED Panasonic, and this seems to be probably the hottest part of the board. I don't like the look of that. It looks like it's kind of been sweating or got damp or something. Has that pulled that moisture out of the pad that was stuck on there? That's the rear of the pad there. It's going to be very gentle and just try to give this a little clean over. I'll inspect some of these other pads. So this is the rear, and this is the actual chip here, and another one over there that had a cooling pad on. I've been doing some testing on various points on the board. So I checked on the main board, and also I checked this point here, this EVDD on, to see what the voltage was. And as far as I can tell, and I'm not an expert, it does look like it's probably the panel that's causing it to shut down. For a last throw of the dice, I'm going to take some of these capacitors off and measure them and see what values I get. So I'm going to start with these smaller ones here, and then possibly these two down here. I had a go at updating the thermal paste on all of the boards to see if that would help. I also had a look at the power board and changed some capacitors on that, but alas, it would still shut down after a short period of time. So I dug a little deeper and I was able to mask off the control line, which basically tells the main board to shut down. I've masked pin 41 on the connector, and this now means that the panel stays on. Please can you like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll do more videos like this in the future. Bye for now.